Well, you know, if anything, you get a story out of it. 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 Get the chain off, right? Oil's done, oil change is done, it's easy, it's a little bolt under there, that's all over the internet, who cares? Figure it out. Figure it out, we're not your mommy. Need a hand there? I got this.
Got that? Okay.
Ready, I'm gonna pull it out? Or
No.
You're gonna ride it out. Yep. Look at the room you got there.
Look how dirty it is, holy crap.
And that comes off. And that's all of that warranty stuff that was replaced, right?
No, it wasn't replaced yet.
Well, they haven't done that yet?
No, they couldn't do it.
Why?
I got them right here.
Oh, the rubbers. When are they gonna do that?
I'm doing them.
Or you're doing them?
Yeah, because they didn't know how to do them.
They didn't know how to do them?
Yep, didn't know how to do them.
But you know how.
No,
Oh.
but I can figure it out a lot better
Well,
than
you
they can.
figured out how to do the goddamn
So,
air filter. Are you doing those now?
no,
Oh.
no. So these insert into here, right?
Oh,
That's the cush
that's
damper layer. So what I was told,
yeah.
they don't know how to take this out of here. So what I was going to
You
do.
don't know how to take it out of there?
No, they don't. So what I was going to do, I was going to drill this out, one of the rubber a little bit.
Yep.
And Dremel the side,
Yep.
you know, and then crush it and pull it out.
Yep.
And then they say to throw these in the freezer.
Yep. Just like a berry.
And then heat this up a little bit if you want, and they're supposed to just fall in there. That's what one mechanic told me how to do it.
And it's got the usual spacer like most bikes have.
But they're still pretty good, so I'm not going to replace them.
No. And those were covered by warranty. Was that part of the warranty thing?
Yep. Yeah, they just decided to replace them all.
So I'm not singing Boston songs. Did you grab it?
Yeah, I think so. This is such a wide bead that it doesn't work very good on this one.
Nope.
Right?
See that? Yep.
And that's why that happened right here. See it gouge?
Oh, it's sharp.
Oh yeah, don't. And that was because I didn't have it hooked on those very good.
Oh. Looks okay now. It's not let around.
No, it is out around. It's just going here.
Oh.
Too wide here.
Yep. So how are you going to fix that?
To
there.
Yeah. It's probably.
It's those. It's on there though, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll do it.
Do it by hand.
Well, it's not touching anyway, so I'll try it. Where's that? Right here.
The start bar. Want me to push down over there?
No, it's okay. I'll move it around to this other side. Lift up here.
I'm really fucking hiding. No, there we are.
All right.
It's done. Nice. Oh my God. Does that save some time compared to the old school way? Can you get under there? Come on, baby.
I wonder if I go the other way.
The little hook? That's a sharp hook. Oh yeah. Had her. Got her. You got her.
Not quite. See what it does.
Yep. It's fighting. Done. Oh my gosh. Everybody should have one of these in the backyard, huh? Pete, what are you going to say those?
Yeah, I guess I will.
How are you going to put those in the other one?
No, I don't think I'm gonna. Different.
Oh, it's just beautiful. Oh my God. It's so soft. It's the softest compound out of all the tires in the shop. It's just soft. It just feels like it's going to stick. The famous goop. I won't tell you the recipe for that stuff because it's a secret.
Now, which is the direction for this one? Guess we should look first this way. Anakee Adventure. Oh, rotation right here.
That way.
Rotation. So it's going this way. So I need to put it on this way,
Yep.
right? Because this is
Which way is it rotating again?
this way.
That's your brake side.
Yeah, rotation. I don't have it on one side rotation. The rotation is going this way. So you put this on the bike right like this. Right?
Oh, yes. Fingies? Want a wrench? Yep, you got her, you got her. Come on, baby. Oh, did that pop out?
Yeah, hopped up and over it.
Trying to stay out of the way here.
Wow, it's not quite down.
No, no, hang on. How do you get to go down? So much for being soft.
Yeah, that's a tough.
That's what we need. We should have put one of those little things in it. A block of wood or something.
Yeah, they have those. Oh, there.
Yep, you got her?
You
Okay.
just push your hand
Here.
on there.
Yep.
Right there.
Come on, baby. Come on. Yep, 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 yep. Come on. Come on. I got it. It's
Oh,
fine.
that one up over top.
I think I might be on though anyways.
Oh, yeah. It's the
See.
filter.
Yep. That's it. Yeah, yeah, yep. Yeah!
It flopped up and over it. That's because it's wide feed, eh?
Yeah.
You know what that's for? Somebody
The
told
whole
me.
spokes. No.
Yeah, if you want to change the spokes on the road, they break one, you can just take them out and change them.
Very nice. Whew. Okay, we'll stop for a sec. Do you ever have a problem with it biting a little? Because you need lots of pressure to make that puppy bite, right? God damn, that's a nice tire. Hi. But for just this lonely view. Oh! Want to spray some shit in there and just go for it. Made in Thailand. At the Yokohama plant for Michelin. How many pounds in it right now?
52.
Did it pop in?
I might have.
I don't know. That's...
It's hard to tell with this one, eh?
Yeah, how about the other side? Which side popped in? I only heard one bang. But sometimes they don't really bang, they kind of pop, right? Wow, turning out to be a beautiful day. You can almost smell the grass growing.
That's good, man.
So the front's off, you gotta undo those. It's got that weird axle there that can slide all the way through. Loosen those up. This is just old hash stuff, whatever. Brembo brakes, squeeze them a bit, pull it out. And then we got the rear on. Putting the front on. Yep. What the rear looks like. Really nice. Oh my God. Weird bearings on there, a little tighter than shit. So it's a balance of beads on that one. This one will put the weights on rope, right?
I'm hoping, yeah.
Oh, I'm not quite dead hiding those. Well, that looks pretty good, right? Good enough?
Yeah.
I really sucked the power down, huh?
I don't know.
Oh, what the hell's going on? Oh, holy shit. And there it is. It's already
Okay,
full of
so
beads.
the rotation is this way,
Okay.
right?
Yep. No dot on the rear tire. On the Michelin Anakee, what is this called? This is the Anakee Adventure, not the Wild, the Adventure. Okay, and yet flip it over. Do you find an arrow? I'm just looking for a dot. There's no dot. No, that's the brand for the number of the tire.
You can't take it off?
Hmm?
You can't take it off?
Oh no, that's rubberized on.
Okay.
Well, maybe it comes off, but that doesn't seem like it to me.
As long as it don't leak there.
It's not a dot.
Where's the rotation on this thing? Right here, rotation. This way.
Yep.
Same thing.
So we're good. Do you want the magic sauce?
Yeah.
I'll get the other way. And again, I would tell everyone what this magic sauce is, but it's very, very, very secret. I will give you a hint. Colonel Sanders uses it on his chicken.
Almost put them both on.
I know what happened there.
I don't know.
It's like I was thinking, oh, we're taking it off again. Okay, good. You just about did everything at once. I've never seen that before. Yep.
It's not quite what it's supposed to do, but
Isn't that weird? Neither the front or the back had a dot. Not a pink, not a red, no dot, yellow, anything.
nothing.
That's the way they are.
And yet they're Michelin. You know what I mean?
Is that the bearing there supposed to turn?
I don't know.
'Cause if that's the bearing that's supposed to turn, it ain't moving. We may be having the same issue as before. Ducati's got snug bearings. Or the few beads right here, Rod.
That's been right there.
Huh? Oh, look at the beads here.
There's beads?
Right there.
Where the fuck did they come from? Oh, they must have got stuck on the rim.
Yep. Magnetic. But they're
And there's
gonna,
one right there, on there. It's like looking at somebody's teeth. Yeah, there's a couple on here.
because those things don't squish.
No. That's weird.
I think you know why? Because they're magnetic. They kind of like attract they stick to things in beads.
Yeah, but aluminum rims.
WD-40.
And you blew it.
Yep, popped up. It would not bang. I put the WD-40 on, bingo. But I only did it on the rear, not the front. Michelin tires are not only tough, the Michelin tire stickers are goddamn tough. I like that one better already. That's better.
Okay, off the.
That's way better. That's the way a bearing's supposed to spin. I don't know what the hell the back one is, but that's not level. You might need a piece of wood. Yep, you're gonna need a piece of wood. Oh,
I'll get a level on there.
that's pretty close. It's not rocket science, it's a goddamn front tire. What could go wrong? Yep, you're clear.
Fuck with that.
Oh, perfect. There's something wrong. There's no way you should be able to, unless it's perfectly balanced, there's no way you should be able to move it like this, let go, and it doesn't move. So is it trying to move? How do they obviously have a static balancer.
Do I put beads in that one too now? Frick.
I gotta take a break. 1 ounce on here. We've got 1 ounce taped on the tire, and it's trying, but that's how tight that bearing is. And yet it's smooth to turn, like glass. Oh, there we are. But now it should rock back. It doesn't, it's trying. See it go back a tiny bit? It's trying. Oh my God.
Put beads in this one too. I don't want to put beads. They're, and yet just smooth as glass. You know, you barely turn it, and it just goes.
What the hell? So the enigma was, this one nor that one would roll smooth enough to just free weight it, free balance it with the weights. Where's what? So we put beads in there and beads in there, which shouldn't be a problem. Oh, the yellow, okay, marking up your thing, yep. So we're just gonna put it back together. Easy peasy. That fender's gotta come loose to put it all back together. Okay, I'll give you a hand. Okay, air filter's done, oil's changed. Tires are on the back and front. Tire.
7 o'clock.
We've been on this kind of on and off all day because that filter change is just a phenomenal amount of work. But it's whatever. Not that, I mean.
For first timers anyways, eh?
Yeah, we did okay. You do that all the time, you probably get a lot quicker at it, but I wouldn't want to be doing it every day anyways. These tires look beautiful. Got the Brembos, and of course, I didn't fill them all to putting it on. That's whatever, it's pretty simple. Axle, Brembos, whatever. Done. Done. The Ducati is basically ready to ride.
Yeah, I just want to do a little review on the Michelin Anakee Adventure tires. I've been running Heidenau K60s on this bike for a couple of years. Good tire, tough. I love them. I was going to do a little more street than side roads this year. I do look for the dirt roads as much as possible. So we do get out and hit as many dirt roads as possible. So I was going to Saskatchewan, a little more highway. I wanted a little more street performance. So I thought I'd try these. I think they're like an 80-20, maybe a 70-30 tire Adventure. So they stick like glue on the pavement. The compound in them is definitely different than the Heidi's. I mean, they're just almost sticky to touch. I got 4,000 kilometers on them now. I'm about half through them. I'll probably get maybe 9,000 kilometers most out of it, I believe. They kind of flattened off. That might just be the prairie riding where you just sit straight. I live in BC and did some good wicked cornering on the way home. So anyways, they stick like glue on the street. Got in some loose gravel and stuff over in Saskatchewan. I wasn't that impressed with them at all. I almost went down a couple times. They just seem like they're a street tire in that kind of a thing. I think if you're on a hard pack dirt road, it'd be fine. But just anything, maybe mud. I don't know how it is. I haven't tried any mud. So they're limited for actually getting off under the dirt too much. Where's my Heidi's? My Heidi's are over here. These ones I took off, and you can see they're pretty wore out. I mean, they're a harder rubber. I did the Harris Creek Forest Road, some granite, boulders, and sharp rocks with this kind of tread, me and my brother. And I was a little worried about it because there's not much tread there. It was an all-day adventure. It was a tough ride, and the Heidi's come through it flying colors. I don't know if I could do that with the Michelin. They're just a softer tire. I feel they could maybe puncture easier. So if you're going to get extreme, which I do, I don't think these are the tires for that. It's kind of apples to oranges, I realize that, but I just wanted to put it out there. The front tire is in good shape. I'll probably end up having to do one more back tire to run the front out, and then I'll probably go back to either the Heidenau's or maybe I'll try the Midas. Try those ones. So anyways, a little review on it. Like sticking on the pavement, this was good. My Heidi's, I had my ass end kick out several times on me cornering. It kind of makes your heart jump a little bit when that happens. But it's just a totally different tire. So And I had my bags, and I had a bit of weight on here. I'm a minimalist, so I don't carry too much luggage. But anyways, that's my review for this girl.